Page 11, Hiawatha. Some Indian type thing, I think. 4/4 time. Let's look at this one hand at a time. I got quarter notes all over the place. You're starting out in the right hand up here. Put you in this position. Now you have a B flat. So instead of the B, you use the same finger as the white note. Just come down to the B flat. And that third measure, that second B is also a B flat. You remember the rule for accidentals, that it applies from that point on for the rest of the measure. And only that measure. So, and in that staff. So that second B is there. And that's about all the right hand's doing. Left hand, you have a G and a D. And they're just quarter notes, just play them. You're just keeping the time. They're not staccato or nothing, but you can't connect them because that's the way the piano does. It won't connect them. And then the second line, you get a melody. B flat. See, all those B's in that third measure are flat because the flat applies to the rest of the measures. So they're all flat. Then the right hand gets the melody and the left hand. So put them together. What do we get? Try and connect the right hand, even though you can't the left. That's a little tricky. We don't want it all choppy. No, connect this. Connect this as best you can, even though you can't this. Now these you can't connect on the same note, but these you can. The second line, you hear. Last measure, you're back to that type thing. The only really articulation we can do here would be the accents. And they give you a few accents in the second line. You see in the second measure, the C's. Just put a little extra oomph on those. Play this a little louder. That's about the only articulation there is here too. Dynamic wise, it's moderately loud at the beginning. That's the right hand. Keep this left hand out of the way because it can easily overpower the right, and then all you hear is the right hand. If I play both of these the same, it's this way. And this is bleh. Keep the left hand soft. The second line, you're starting out soft and you're going to crescendo or get louder up to loud in the third measure. So do it one measure at a time. The first measure soft. Next measure is moderately soft. Go up a little bit. Except for the accents, you got to give them a little. Now up a little more to moderately loud. Now you're loud. So you gradually get a little louder. Moderately loud after that in the right hand. Left hand's got to get soft. So the last two measures, it's soft in the right hand. The left hand is very soft. So that last line, the last three measures, you're moderately loud and then all of a sudden you're soft. That's trick. But it takes time to learn this control, but it's important that you do learn the control. So keep at it, even though it may not be coming to you yet. Speed-wise, I think about as fast as I was doing it. There's moderato somewhere in the middle. Let's try this together very slowly. I'm not going to do the dynamics or any of that, but other than that, let's play it. Mainly to check the notes. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem. Now you have a repeat sign at the end of the first line, so we're going to play the first line twice and go on down. So I'll give us 4 counts, so let's play this together. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat.